In this video, we're going to discuss the Value Analytics Map Layers category. We'll switch to the map mode to give us more room to investigate the insights that all of these visual map layers surface. This layer category contains everything you need to know about values of properties in any region. Every layer in this category is derived from TopHap's automated valuation model, also known in the industry as the AVM. TopHap utilizes state-of-the-art machine learning techniques to accurately and confidently produce property value and rental estimates. Not only are you able to see what things are worth with these layers, but you can also see value trends, spot hot markets within regions, and even see where the values are flowing. The first is a TopHap Estimate Layer, which is always on by default. It allows you to see what homes are worth today in any given area. You can explore the estimates at the parcel level or zoom out for a more bird's-eye regional view. As you can see, the darker colors represent higher home values. As you hover over the colors, you can see the tooltips with detailed information. Look how easy it is to see where the more expensive neighborhoods are and where the lower cost homes are in any given area. The TopHap Estimate Price per Square Foot layer allows you to better understand the price per square foot spread in any neighborhood or region. This layer is a great way to spot hot neighborhoods in any area. The Value Appreciation layer shows the percentage change in home values over a specific time period that is selected in the legend. You can see the value growth from as little as 1 month ago to as much as 20 years ago. Selecting the 1 or 2 year forecast shows you how the property values are expected to change if they follow the current market trend. Look at how different areas are performing over the last 1 month, 3 months, or even a year. You can see how this area grew and this area fell. The TopHap Estimate Accuracy layer allows you to analyze the accuracy of the TopHap AVM in different regions. It's very important for us to be transparent with our valuation estimates, and with this layer you can see just how accurate we are. As you zoom in, you will notice that not all properties have the accuracy score. We backtest our AVM model against historical sales and calculate the accuracy of the prediction for the date of the transaction. If a property hasn't sold in the last 20 years, then it will not have an accuracy score. The TopHap Rental Estimate, TopHap Rental Price per Square Foot Estimate, and the Rental Estimate Accuracy layers are analogous to the TopHap Estimate layers, except in that they depict monthly rental rates. Please note that the Rental AVM is not available in some places due to the lack of comparable rental history. Thank you for watching, and make sure you watch the rest of the TopHap Academy training videos and follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and LinkedIn to stay up to date on all news and product updates.